Hey, how's it going, Phil? It's me. And this handsome bearded gentleman to my left is Kieran.
Hello.
And you're watching Pro307. That was a well timed, that was a well executed tea drink, that one. We work with that, yeah. In this exciting episode of Pro307, we're in a top secret location, Kieran's man cave, where there's all kinds of cool stuff, including this very yellow RX7 FC, which belongs to a certain hashtag bring back Stuart Lawson.
Bring back Lawson.
That's a good cup of tea, by the way. Play the video. Play the music. Roll the music.
Roll the music.
Yeah. Street level. Oi. Oi. Yeah. That's it. Right there.
Round there, nothing seems to change.
At street level.
Same old thing every day.
That's it, that's it, that's it.
Just played and replayed in different ways.
Oi. Tunes heavy.
Round there, nothing seems to change.
At street level.
Same old thing every day.
That's it, that's it, that's it.
Just played and replayed in different ways.
Oi. Oi. Right there. Whose round is it? Down that beer quick, smash my glass back down, fall over the table, all rowdy and pissed. Seems the only difference between mid-week shit and weekend is how loud I speak, and whether I try and pull a girlfriend. That's it. Who's got dough? Hey, you know I pay but I'm broke, only got coinage to show. Putting off walking home on my own to my throat. Two empty takeaways, ashtrays, the remains of the day's stone. Pick a bottle off the table, peel the label, tell a fable. Offer opinion for free on a solution to the latest big news story. Football and smut daily as I ponder winning the lottery. Buy a drink, chat to a lady, the girl's well fit, definitely not maybe, she's rude.
So Kieran, who is Stuart Lawson?
He is Top Hat Scotland.
Top Hat Scotland. He is a Scottish drifter. A lot of people know of him, but they haven't seen him in a while.
No, they haven't seen this yellow taxi in a long time. That's because it's been abandoned here for the last God knows how long.
We've been doing a little bit of work in the car. I've been installing a new fuel system, a new engine, and we'd like to just run through some of that things with you today. So where do you start with the FC? Well,
It's yellow. It has stickers. It makes loud noises. It should make flames.
yeah, it makes big flames when it's working properly, but it hasn't. We haven't actually heard it running for a while, so we're really looking forward to seeing it running again.
This is a new 13B that he's put in it. So the old one is abandoned somewhere else, outside, somewhere. This one came from Japan. We haven't looked at it at all. We haven't done anything to it. We just put it in.
Put it in, yeah, put it in.
Hope for the best. What else? What more do you need to do?
What more do you need to do exactly?
This is the approach from Stuart Lawson. Put it in. Don't even get it up to temperature, and hit the red line.
So here's the FC, and I suppose let's get started with the interior first. Let's have a look inside. Let's just see the droop on the door a bit more. Go and close it in. It drops a little bit, doesn't it? The fitment is ace.
Yep. So yeah. Oh. What do we have here?
Oh! Lambo doors.
This was a good idea, apparently.
Now, most competition drift cars have super light doors that open out the way, but Stuart has super heavy doors that open up the way. It helps with his drifting.
It does, it really does help with drifting.
Tonight, working at the pyramid. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid.
Because style is everything.
Of course.
Then,
They're very secure.
yeah, very secure.
Oh, that's the...
What's wrong with this one? Oh, nothing, Tommy. It's tip-top.
Go and see if it closes, Kieran.
Oh yeah. I may have to put this down a little bit. Right, So let's get this door closed. Wait a minute. Nope.
Hey!
Well, it's closed, but I mean, let's be honest, style is everything. So
Style is everything, and that is the main thing with this build. The thing to keep in mind, style is everything.
so let's have a look inside.
Let's have a look inside, see what's going on here. That is a very, very bling steering wheel. It's very Japan. Stuart is very Japan. What else we've got here? We've got a Sparco bucket seat with AK Sport harnesses. Hydro, and is that a push button for the original handbrake still in place?
Drift button.
Drift button. We have an Apexi Power FC, kill switches, and a built-in fire extinguisher. The car is competition spec. It's competed at BDC. It's got a full bolt-in roll cage with door bars, and very, very sexy interior, we have to admit. Leopard skin.
Leopard skin.
Leopard skin? Zebra skin.
Zebra skin. I've never seen a leopard looking like that.
Funny looking leopard, that one.
Yeah.
So if we go around to the back, we can actually look at what we're doing with the car at the moment. So what we're doing is we're fitting an EFI fuel system with a internal tank pump and an external. It's a Aeromotive Fuel Systems pump. It's about 800 horsepower rated for fuel injection with a swirl pot. The filter's not in yet, and we've still got a line to run along the car, but it is progress, and we like progress here at Pro307. We like to see something going together. Let's go and have a look at the engine and see what he's rocking up here. This is a full LS motor, LS3 we're running here. No, this is Stuart's 13B out of an FC, we believe, running a big single turbo. It's a big Garrett single turbo because rotary can handle it. What else goods have we got here? We have got the new fuel system getting piped up. New fuel rail with, I think it's RX7 injectors, bigger injectors.
I think they're huge from memory.
I'm not sure what size they are,
Massive.
but they are massive apparently because it needs a lot of fuel. The belt-driven kit for the alternator makes it sound like a supercharger.
That'll sound cool.
It's going to sound awesome.
I'm not entirely sure if I'm looking forward to belt drive or the sound of a rotary.
It's whatever the case,
Whichever
it's going to
sounds
sound awesome.
Relocated.
Relocated the power steering pump on a bracket. It just needs an adjuster. You'll get an adjuster on there and that'll be finished. Some cool braided lines going on there. Some Greddy, that looks like a filter relocation kit. A Greddy filter relocation.
That'll be cable tied somewhere.
That'll be cable tied onto something, yes. Very securely for regulation purposes. What else we've got here? We've got an Aeromotive fuel regulator for the EFI fuel system.
Check those brackets out.
Those brackets and those alloy bolts. Oh, it's so motorsport.
Style is everything.
Style is everything. What else have we got going down the front? Look at all those stickers, all that Japan stickers. We've got
You may have noticed that Mr. Lawson did compete in,
British Drift Championship.
so that sticker will forever be on that car.
We've got numbers, we've got hard style, we've got a lot of 26.
These are all old, mad, Japanese weird things that Stuart seems to have everywhere in this car. Lots more.
Lots more stickers.
I think they are everywhere. Also got some Super Now, Motorsport ERC, BDC stuff.
The bodywork equips genuine Japan.
Genuine leaky equips.
Equips, yeah.
That was pumped up like 2 weeks ago.
What kind of tyres is he running up front? What kind of
Well,
Advan?
shall we have a better look at the tyres?
Yes, let's have a
Because I
better
also
look.
want to have a better look at these Lambo hinges.
It's still not closed.
We're going to have to do that bit again. So this is just placed on for effect. Oh, there we go. Right, let me put this somewhere safe.
look at those equips. That's semi-slicks, it's advanced semi-slicks. So that is 17-inch wheels in the front and 18 in the back.
Yeah, it is.
Checks that camber. I wonder if you can see that camber over the camber. With the bolt-on arches in the back. That's pretty cool. I like the bolt-on arches.
The rear wing's my favourite. We need to put the rear hatch down for this. That is by far my favourite bit of this.
It's cool.
So we'll get a shout to come over and film about Lawson's FC, and Kieran's so nice to feed me with Huggies, Sneeps and Tatties. I don't think you could have given me a more Scottish thing to eat for this.
It is almost Burnside, so.
First of all, thank you very much for watching to the end to see this final bit. We just thought we'd do a little bit extra to let you know what's going on this year with Pro307. This man to my right has got a really cool Datsun we're going to have a look at soon.
If I ever start it.
If he ever starts it and gets out the garage, which it's not an if, it's a when. It's a when. It's going to be happening soon. It's going to happen in the next couple of months, surely.
Oh, aye. She's going to come out a wee bit of a clean, wee bit of a drive, and then take the engine out.
Wee bit of drive, engine out, but there's another important event coming up. We have to do this before.
Oh, yeah.
Kieran's getting married.
Hey!
Who are you getting married to?
Getting married to the lovely Rebecca.
Who's hiding behind the camera at the moment?
And that's what you'll say.
You're going to have to.
When's that happening?
5th of May.
5th of May. 5th of May, big things are happening.
Yeah.
And why did I book the 5th of May?
Because it was on the Driftland day that Kelly's not allowed to go to.
Yeah. I booked a Driftland day that day. I'm not going to. It's cool. It's cool. We'll get plenty of other drift days. It's cool.
Yep.
Next episode we're coming up with, we're going to do a feature with 2 road legal S14s. We're going to do a bit of a drive and up on the ramp, and we're going to have a look at them. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about Stuart Lawson's FC.
And why Stuart Lawson needs to be brought back.
Yeah, we need to bring back Stuart Lawson, and he's been a bit unwilling to so far to participate. Anyway.
He also has no idea that this happened today.
Yeah, we don't know how he's going to react to this happening today.
Badly,
It could be, it could be some backlash to this, but don't worry, he's cool. He loves us, really.
Yeah, we're fixing part of his car for him.
Yeah, we're really doing all the work. It's cool.
Righty.
A lefty and a righty.
Oh, obviously, you need to mix it
Drinking
up.
tea in a shed like good old boys. They're not going to find that funny. They're
No,
gonna
it's
think
a shed that's almost fallen down itself, to be honest.
the FC in all its glory.
Should probably look at the
Yeah,
camera.
I should maybe look. Shut up.
This handsome bearded man to my right.
Wait, he's mine.
Right, let's have a look inside, see what we've got here. That is a very, very bling steering wheel. It's very JDM. I'm sure that's come from some really super famous Japanese guy.
Right, let's take review of the borrowed items Stuart has used here to set up his drift car. We have. Oh, is that my jack? And a speedy gun. Any comments? Wabaki!
Filming. I'm gonna ask you.
Sorry, Stevie.
I just got stung by a bastard bee.
track. Really? Alright. What in hash track?
Hash drag.